In this video, we are going to cover the sound j, 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 j. To create the sound j, bring your teeth very close together. Start to phonate, and at the same time that you start to phonate, drop your jaw and push the air out to the sides of your cheeks. J, 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 j. Use this phrase to practice. The jazz jam band joined the soldier on the edge of the stage. The jazz jam band joined the soldier on the edge of the stage. Hear the sound j, 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 j. Practice this phrase with me. The jazz jam band joined the soldier on the edge of the stage. The jazz jam band joined the soldier on the edge of the stage. As you practice this phrase, each time you pronounce the j sound, make sure that you feel your jaw drop just a little bit. You don't need to drop very much in order to create the sound, but it does need to have a little bit of movement. J, j. Remember that this sound happens between your back teeth. J, j, j. Now that we've established the center of the phoneme target, let's talk about the secondary ring. The secondary ring of this phoneme target sounds like a ch instead of a j. Ch is non-phonated. The outer ring of mispronunciation can sound like a j, 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 which has a little bit of e sound in it, which is not correct, and it can also sound like a ch or a d. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next.